In this video, I'll show you how to add a license to a GitHub repository. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository where you want to add a license. Next, click the Add File button and select Create New File. In the file name box, type license in all capital letters. Now, click the Choose a License Template button. GitHub will display a list of popular open source licenses, such as the MIT license, Apache License 2.0, and GNU GPL. Select the license that best fits your project, and GitHub will automatically generate the license text for you. After that, review the generated license to make sure it's the one you want to use. Then scroll to the bottom of the page, enter a commit message such as Add License File, and click Commit Changes to save the file to your repository. Finally, return to your repository's main page. You'll now see the license file, and GitHub will recognize the license you've selected and display it in your repository details. This lets other developers quickly understand how they can use, modify, and share your project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a license to a GitHub repository. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.